Share an application of the SDXL-Tile model to upscale extremely blurry images, fully utilizing AI's imaginative power. These are the results from my practical experience. This is a workflow from the C site. You can see that some images aren't just enlarged, they've also changed in style. This one is different from the other Tile model I shared earlier. Its control over the visuals isn't very strong, in fact it's relatively weak. Because of this weakness, it gives prompts a lot of room to create vivid imagery. Now let's take a closer look at the nodes involved. This is a basic tattoo pattern combined with a contrast effect, where contrast is used to load the state model. The higher this weight value is, especially when it approaches 1, the better it can reproduce the image we loaded. At the same time, under such circumstances, imagination is at its worst and cannot produce good results like the 1.5 version of the T model. The lower the value, the more it deviates from the original image, allowing for higher imagination. Here, I actually recommend adjusting between 0.85 and 0.95. At this basic prompt section, we've added a style from the SDXL prompt. This is very familiar because after the release of the SDXL model, related plugins with this style were already available in WE. You can choose on your own, but since the control strength of this model is not very high here, the impact of the prompt words becomes particularly important. So here, we can add some reverse nodes to help infer the prompt keywords. If you don't use it within ComfyUI, you can also choose to use GPT-4 or the built-in WDI4 node for reverse inference. Or if you have a better way to get the image prompt, that's also fine. Just describe it. This node should be adjusted based on the length of the longer side. No matter what value it is, first lock its longer side. For example, lock this to 1523 here, then the shorter side will scale proportionally up or down. This is an interesting combination. By applying it elsewhere, we won't need to adjust the image size specifically. Finally, you can keep the image. Navigate to RunningHub's AI or click the link in the introduction to register, and you'll receive 120 HB. Logging in daily will also give you 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.